We're so excited to hear stories like this where, Meta is deploying, broadly Bergamo, but most importantly, it's really broadly across the spectrum, including things like, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp that we use every day, as well as a number of other services. So as you can tell, we're incredibly proud of our 4th Gen EPYC family, but there's a bit more on the CPU side here. So to tell you more about how we expand our portfolio to deliver leadership in technical computing workloads, let me invite Senior Vice President and General Manager of AMD Server Business, Dan McNamara, to the stage.
Thank you, Lisa, and good morning, everyone. So 1 year ago, June, we rolled out our portfolio for EPYC around optimizing for different workloads. And we are super excited today to be delivering 2 new products. You just saw how we optimized 4th Gen EPYC for cloud-native computing with Bergamo. I'm going to spend some time showing you how we also optimized EPYC for a different set of data center workloads, technical computing. So for enterprises and firms that design and build physical products, engineering simulation is business critical. These companies need the top engineers in the industry supported by the best computing infrastructure. Companies that can move faster and more efficiently are differentiated by getting to market faster with more innovative and higher quality products and deliver this under a reduced OpEx budget. So with these goals in mind, we developed our 2nd generation of the AMD 3D V-Cache. Using the same integration of cache on core chiplets, but we're now supporting more than 1 gigabyte of L3 cache on a 96-core CPU. A larger cache feeds the CPU faster with complex data sets and brings a new dimension to processor and workload optimization. We first introduced this technology last year with Milan X, and now we bring it to 4th Gen EPYC, pairing it with the high-performing Zen 4 core that you just heard about. So today, I'm super excited to be announcing the availability of 4th Gen EPYC processors with AMD 3D V-Cache, codenamed Genoa X. We're delivering 4 new SKUs from 16 cores to 96 cores that are socket compatible with Genoa. Genoa X helps unlock the potential of the world's most important and demanding workloads in technical computing. Now, let's spend a minute on these workloads. From aircraft engines to the most advanced semiconductors, the rapid design and simulation of new products is imperative in today's market. So while Genoa is the fastest general purpose server processor in the market, Genoa X takes this performance to a new level for technical computing. And we're delivering all of this performance in conjunction with our partners, including digital manufacturing software from Altair, Ansys, and Dassault, and EDA software from companies like Cadence, Siemens, and Synopsys. We continue to work closely with these solution providers to create an optimized environment for our mutual customers. Now, let's take a look at some of the performance you'll see with these solutions. Let's start with some widely deployed CFD and FEA workloads. In blue, you see our highest core count Genoa X processor. In gray, you see the top stack Xeon processor. What this data shows is that across these applications, the 96-core Genoa X processor delivers more than double the performance. And even when comparing processors with the same number of cores, the performance advantage remains very, very clear. So all this performance and software will be qualified on servers from the industry's top OEMs, and the platforms featuring Genoa X will be available next quarter. We sincerely appreciate our software and OEM partnerships as we increase the number of solutions to further serve the technical computing market with industry-leading performance and efficiency. So companies can also leverage the public cloud to run these simulations at top performance. So for more on that, I'd like to welcome Nidhi Chappell from Microsoft to the stage.